Hi, hello friends. I'm back again for the back workout. So first of all, I want to thank everyone for the likes and comments in my previous home leg workout video. I'm sorry for the volume in the previous video. I hope the volume is good now. I'm trying to speak more loud and clear. I will add subtitles in my previous video as soon as possible so that you can go back and see that video again with the right information. Also, please keep giving your suggestions and comments so that I can note down those points and can work on those points and add those things in my upcoming videos and make better videos. Another very important thing is that my workout is intense, and I have been practicing these kind of workouts since long. So this intensity and these kind of workouts are not for everyone, not for beginners. If you are an athlete or you have been doing a lot of workout, then it's fine. But otherwise, please be very cautious before starting any kind of workout. Always take professional help before starting any kind of workout, whether at home or at the gym. And make sure that you start under supervision of a fitness professional and not to do alone, because your posture and your techniques are very important to learn. Okay, so now coming back to the back workout. Usually in the gym we have a lot of equipment. Here at home I just have a set of dumbbells and a set of resistance bands. The set of resistance band is very it was very useful to me when the lockdown started after COVID. I immediately purchased it, and that helped me a lot in at least continuing the workout with lower intensity. Not It was not as good as the gym, but it was quite helpful. And in some of the exercises, resistance bands are very useful. uh, that I will cover in some other video. With this minimal equipment, I will target majority of my back muscles with the pulling action. So all the pulling actions will mostly involve your back. Uh, and let me tell you that I always prefer compound movements, compound exercises, which involves two joints and multiple muscles. So I cannot train my back without involvement of my biceps. So when I do a pulling action, back and biceps both are getting involved. So I don't need a separate workout for the biceps. So I just finished my warm up, and here we go. Starting with the bent over row as the first exercise. Here the form and technique and the posture is very important. Make sure your back is straight, you're looking down, your neck is straight with the back. I increase the intensity in the subsequent sets by adding the lighter bands, as I have already started with a heavy band in my first set. Ideally, the start of the pull should be exactly above the head as it is with the gym machine, but here I am using door as the anchor, so I have to compromise on that. In this exercise, I have used all the bands, so I will be using the same resistance for 2 to 3 sets. I am using my right leg and the dumbbell to anchor myself well so that the bands do not pull me forward and I am able to do the exercise properly for the entire set. This exercise is a variation of the pulling action where the elbows will be almost at the level of the shoulders. The bands are going to pull me back, so I have to really anchor myself well on the floor. Though this exercise is considered in the back routine, it actually works more on the rear delts, that is the back of your shoulders. I consider the dumbbell shrugs as a very functional exercise. Whenever we carry any heavy load, our upper trapezius muscles are being used, and this exercise particularly trains the upper trapezius muscles. It's important to have a good posture in this exercise by having your spine straight, slightly hip hinge, and also keeping the neck straight. If you notice in this exercise, I am slightly bent. This is the reason I take my videos, and probably in the next set I have corrected it if you notice it. My biceps are already trained functionally during the back exercises, but I am isolating them with 2 sets of dumbbell curls, which I feel is good enough to pump the blood in them. So friends, I hope you like this video, and let me know in the comment section if there is any feedback or any improvement you would like to see in the upcoming videos. My next video would be the chest, shoulder and triceps workout at home. So I hope that will also be beneficial. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye.